It has arrived, the missing piece. It's the one that's between the Goldwing and the Africa Twin. You know, we were really craving a tourer, and Honda have not failed to deliver with this new model NT1100. This bike has been built agile, you know, for the demands of the city, with light, easy handling and long travel suspension. So if you're looking for a larger, more comfortable tourer, this will absolutely do the work for you. But in its heart, it is a tourer. So, you know, with a powerful twin-cylinder engine, loads of toys, actually available as standard as well as extras, it's a GT designed for two. Turn the key and you can see straight away the premium technology available right at your fingertips. And for an even more effortless ride, you can enjoy the DCT, which is what we have here now as the Demonstrator at Northwest Honda Super Centre. Alright, so it's the versatility that you cannot get away from with this bike. It's actually even been described as a sports tourer, and now that it's arrived at the dealership, we can actually see where they're coming from. You know, sort of sleek aerodynamics, the adjustable screen. You've also got upper and lower deflectors as well, bear in mind, but it's still quite compact, so it's ideal for urban riding. The seat has got, it's 820mm seat height, so it's a little bit more practical perhaps than the Africa Twin, particularly if you are two up. It's a big plus actually. When I think about it, it's a big plus for me as a seat height, because it does make it more usable for me, as well as some other people that are sort of considering going into the tourer market, or even sort of reconsidering, you know, that tourer where a Goldwing was far too big. Africa Twin, it fits just right in the market. So the one thing that really wins me over with this bike are the toys. You know, it's the toys that it comes with. It has got really high spec. You're getting your panniers as standard. You're also getting, as standard, a 20-litre fuel tank. So you're looking at about, for argument's sake, 240-mile range. You're getting cruise control, you're getting heated grips, you're getting USB sockets, rear carrier as well, and centre stand as standard. You can size up, you know, we've gone and added the top box to ours. We've also upgraded to the comfort seats, which you'll be able to enjoy on our Demonstrator. So the big debate, manual versus DCT. We do hear this quite a lot in the dealership. Most demonstrators, we understand, have gone as DCT, and for this type of bike, it's perfect. DCT does not mean automatic, so let's try and get past that. DCT is dual clutch transmission, so you can ride the bike as manual. You're just doing it with a hand shift rather than a foot shift. You can then switch it back into twist and go, and you've got your automatic function as well. So you can have the best of both. And the big difference between DCT, really, other than your manual shift with hand and automatic function, is the price. So it's £1,000. £1,000 differentiates between your manual and your DCT. We do suspect the DCT is going to be more popular. We have got stock in Honda at the moment, so if it is something that you are strongly considering, get a move on while we've got stock. There's colour options, all sorts of extra options as I've mentioned. So yeah, get yourself booked in at Northwest Honda, come and have a ride on our Demonstrator, fully kitted out, ready to go. The only thing I recommend is that you give us a call beforehand. It is proving very, very popular. So give us a quick call, drop us a message, let us know when you come in, and we'll get it all sorted for you.